This is our third day in Komodo, and we are planning a full day tour around the islands today. But our boat is running late. We were supposed to leave before sunrise, but yeah, as you can see, the sun is already up.
So we're now on the way to Padar Island. Padar is one of the bigger islands in the Komodo National Park. It does have some dragons as well, but they are staying far away from the touristy area, so we will not see them on this island. So we arrived at Padar Island. Unfortunately, the sunrise has already passed, so it's getting a little bit warm. It's pretty cool to see that they have some deers living by the sea here. To reach the top view, you need to do about 700 stairs. Most of the island is a protected area, so it cannot be accessed by tourists. We'll try to give you some more views with the drone now. So we arrived at our second destination, which is Pink Beach. So these beaches, they get their pink color by a pigment on the coral reefs, which leaves small red particles in between the sand and gives this beautiful pink color. Most of these pink beaches are unfortunately disappearing because the coral reef is dying because of the global warming.
And we are finally in Komodo National Park, excited to see the famous dragon.
The Komodo National Park has around 3,000 dragons, with this island about 1,500. I'm quite certain there is no place in the world where you can see a sign like this.
So the guide found the first Komodo dragon.
So we're now looking for more Komodo dragons, which you can see basically in the wild. They're not in an enclosure, they're all over the island. The only downside is they are difficult to see during the hottest time of the day, which is actually now. I don't know if you guys can see this, but if you look very carefully behind the tree, there is one kind of running away from us now. Some of them just sleep near the kitchen.
So we are here in Taka, Makassar. It's a sandbar surrounded by, as you can see, transparent turquoise water. Really beautiful. Now we are on the way to our final stop for the day. We're going to snorkel there. Let's hope we see some turtles.
concludes our short trip around Komodo Islands. Next we are traveling to Sumba, which is an island south of the islands we are staying now. So I hope you will be watching these videos as well.